This is Leroy.
Let's do this.
I'm 70 years of age, and I've been running over 50 years.
Much of Leroy's success as an athlete depends on quality sleep. As it turns out, a lot is happening while our bodies are at rest. Throughout the night, your heart rate, breathing rate, and blood pressure rise and fall in a rhythmic pattern, which may be important for cardiovascular health. Plus, during the sleep cycle, the body is able to repair and restore muscle tears or injuries.
I don't have to be tossing and turning in the bed. It's kind of like, come on in here. I'm going to take care of you.
The Sleep Number Smart Bed provides individualized sleep thanks to its customizable features, including firmness. Quality sleep can also make or break endurance, reaction times, motivation, and performance, all the things that help you get across the finish line. And Sleep Number Smart Sleepers get 28 more minutes of restful sleep each night. Quality sleep translates to a really good run for Leroy.